Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is William. I'm also a part-time reseller while working full-time in the automotive industry. First of all, I'm so blessed that y'all actually came to my video. I hope y'all enjoy it. Watch me as I go to a couple of Goodwills and a couple of thrift stores today.
Show is about Monkey Z.
Okay, so I'm sorry. My name is William and his name is Arian. Follow me as we go to a couple of Goodwills today and a couple of thrift stores. Follow along if y'all. Ma'am, can I see this iPod thing? This brand new connection kit. Okay. What is this blue thing right here? No, right here. This second shelf. Yeah, what is that? Yeah, what is that? I have no idea what that is. That's weird. 200 gigs. I think it might be a hard drive. I don't know what that is. Cool. Thank you so much. Come on, Z. So check these out. I found these. $2.99 a piece. Callaway Golf. That's a nice one. $3 a piece. $9. Not too bad. Come here, Z. Oh, Scotty Cameron, where are you at? So, DeWalt case. Zarian, please come here.
Daddy.
Come on. Might get that. Bookends. You see it. $2.99. This way. Z, come on.
Daddy.
Uh-huh.
I gotta go pee-pee.
Okay.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
Okay. this out. I want $20 for it. Going to look this up. These are pretty cool. Look at these. I don't know what these are. Michaels. No game. Of course.
We care about our communities and the well-being of our employees, donors, and shoppers. We are honored that you have chosen to be with us today. In order to promote the healthiest workplace and shopping experience possible, we ask that you follow some simple common sense rules while visiting Goodwill today. Please stay 6 feet away from your fellow shoppers and keep your children close at all times. If you are feeling sick, running a high temperature, coughing, or showing any signs of sickness, we kindly ask that you see your doctor immediately and stay home until you experience for you today and every day. Following these simple rules will keep us all safe, healthy, and happy. Thanks once again for shopping at Goodwill. Our business changes lives.
This might be good. Sit down, please.
Okay. Look, it's a rock right there. No. Wait, what is that?
Sit down, please.
What is that?
I bought one of these not too long ago. $5.99. Just need a little bit of cleaning. Should do good. Some bands. God, this is heavy. Alright, so check it out. They just brought out a new basket. I found this Hamilton solid brass, probably weighs about 2 pounds. Battery operated. Just gotta get a new battery for it, see if it works. Swiss made, so super cool. Probably little polo type stuff. Esquire. And I also found this Pocahontas jewelry box. A little bit of water damage, $2.99. But it works. I could probably get maybe 20 bucks for it. So not too bad. A little bit of damage. So open it up and it works. So pretty cool. Please don't break that, okay? All right. Y'all know where I'm at. Favorite thrift store. I made so much money at this place. Are you want to get in the basket?
Yeah.
Okay. Whee! All right. He is super sleepy. Are you sleepy? Hey, y'all, watch this. Watch this. Watch this. You're gonna laugh. Hey, are you ready for school?
No.
Why?
I don't want to school.
You don't want to go to school?
No.
But you gotta go to school.
No.
Okay.
No. Daddy, I'm going to cancel this school, Daddy.
Oh, you gonna cancel the school?
Yeah.
Okay, we can. I mean, I don't think that's gonna happen, but you know what? You know, we can try. You know that?
No, I am not you.
Okay, so always look at the hats. They always have good hats here. Shoes. PW.
Daddy, I want to
How much is this one?
one of those.
99 cents. That might be good. It is a little bit loud in here. Hopefully it will be okay. Firestone, St. Louis Cardinals, Budweiser, purplecars.com. Can you sit down, please?
I want a pillow, Daddy.
I'm not gonna get you a pillow here.
Oh, Daddy.
Oh, look at this one. Look at this. This is cool. I don't know what it's from. Type 1. I'm gonna look this one up. Stone. Atlanta Falcons, a little bit expensive. This is what you call it? It's a pretty cool hat. But anyway. I don't know what size these are. Anyway. It's gonna kill me if I don't know what size these are. 42, definitely too big for me. Alright. So nice little black shirt. It's actually really messy over here today. Really, really messy. So pretty nice. Spring, these are pretty nice. One thing I hate about them is that they use these here, so it has a hole inside their shoes. That's one thing I hate about this place. So I'm gonna take a walk back here to the electronics and take a look at the knives to see what they have over there. See if we can find anything to flip on eBay for a profit. Let me see something. Skylanders. Nothing really special. Razor. Pick these up, $1.99. Don't eat those.
What do you say, Dada?
I'm gonna look that up. If y'all see anything, let me know. $1.99. Disney store. I'll look that up. $5. Come look that up. Gonna look this up. Oh, look, it even has a mouse. $1.91. I'll pick it up for $1.91. That's good right there. So this is a PS2 adapter. I'm gonna look that up. Oh man. These are Sorry, Z. Wow. I'm gonna look this up. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Sit down, please. Sit down. Yeah, here, you can take this. This is Jurassic Park. Here.
Look around.
Gonna look this up too. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Everything good. See what this is. You found a pillow?
No, just a well on the head.
So that was pretty good. Wound up spending $65. Found a couple of things that I can resell. I did find a Wii. Paid up for it. Hey, this way. Paid up for it, $39, but it's super clean. It also is a GameCube compatible. It has 2 remotes to it. You're gonna fall. Did you almost see that? Hope y'all don't laugh at that. Hey, wait right here. Pretty good. I'll show y'all what I picked up at the end of the video and go home, lay everything out. So show y'all. Picked up a couple more bags. There we go, right there. So show y'all what we picked up. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm gonna show you what I picked up at the Goodwill and also the family thrift store that I like going to. First things first, I found this actually at the Goodwill. Wednesday when I go is actually Senior Citizens Day, so I actually kind of cheated. I had my dad go with me so I can use his Senior Citizens discount. As you can see, paid $50 for it. It's actually brand new, open box. Everything's still in it. Everything, you can see it. There's a printer there, that thing. So I could probably get $100 for this. I paid $37 for it after the discount, so not too bad. This, you see me in the video pick this up. It's a DVD recorder, video recordable DVD drive, VRD VC10. Paid $17, $15 for that after the discount. I could probably get about $70 for that, so not bad. Picked up a couple Callaway golf hats. I'm probably just gonna lot these up. I gotta put them in the washer, make sure they're all nice and clean. I paid $2.99 for those, so not too bad. Probably get maybe $9 into the pair. I could probably get maybe 40-50 bucks. I picked this up. I'm not for sure if it's vintage or not. $2.99 M&M see-through purse thing. I don't know. Just picked it up. Y'all see me pick this up. It's a Pocahontas. Paid $2.99 for it. It does work. There it is right there. It's missing some stuff on the inside, but you know, shouldn't hurt the value too much, especially Pocahontas. You see me pick this up as well as a Hamilton desktop clock, I guess you can say. It's heavy. It's brass. Probably got to put a new battery in it to see if it works. So not too bad. I can probably get maybe 40-50 bucks for this, maybe a little bit less, but we'll figure it out. And you see the hats that I picked up. So here's the lot that I picked up actually at the family thrift store. I picked this up. These were $1.91. These are discontinued. I seen a sold listing not too long ago for about $20. So I just gotta take off that tag there, put it online. So not too bad. I picked this up. B&W Motorsports. I gotta put this in the washer. Paid 99 cents for that. Not too bad. This chef knife right here, I have no idea anything about it. It is a green chef. Looks like it's Damascus, but that's not Damascus. It's all one piece, so that should do pretty good. I picked up a Ford Mustang radio OEM. Paid $4.94 for it. Probably get 50 bucks for that. Not for sure it works. I'm gonna make sure to disclose it. I picked up a Disney store Little Mermaid Ariel glitter bag. Not too bad. Probably get 20 bucks for that. I picked up this remote. It has some stuff on the back. I gotta see how I can clean that. I'm not 100% sure if I can, but looks like it works. There's a battery in there. Not too bad. I found a mouse, $1.91. Probably get about $10-12 for this. It does have the USB, so that's always good. I also picked this up here. It is a Angel Care monitoring baby system. Paid $5 for that. Looks like it has everything in it. I'm going to test it, see how that works. But not a bad haul for today. At the Goodwill, I spent $77. I can get that just with the printer itself. Everything else is going to be profit. Over here, I spent $65, so I could probably get $120 for the Wii, $50 for that. So not a bad day's work, especially being off. So I got to go inside, process everything, take all the prices off, list everything. So I'm gonna be busy tonight. Came home, did some chores. So I just want to show you what I picked up.